Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. I've got something kind of cool lined up for you guys. So if you are the type of person that is wanting free information and you want free systems to make money online, stick around. This is for you. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. Now, if this is the first time on the channel, my name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online. I specialize in conversion of high-ticket affiliate marketing products. If you're interested in learning more about that, check out the free case study below. It's going to lead you through to a page, and you're welcome to book a call with me if you're interested in fast-tracking your results online. Now, with all that said, I do have something to tell you. If you're here because you want free stuff and you want free methods, you want free everything, you think everything online should be free, I'm here to dispel a couple of things regarding your belief system. So it's going to hold you back if you have that belief, because here's the thing. If you think things should be free and you think that all the systems out there are a scam and everything should be just free, where do you think the money's going to come from? Who's going to pay for the thing? Isn't there a bit of a disconnect in your way of thinking if you want to create something for free, but you want other people to pay for the thing that you're promoting? Isn't there something kind of like not quite aligning with the way that you're thinking? So here's the thing, if you have that mindset and you're going out there and you're trying to find free methods and free ways to do stuff, that's not how business is done. Sure, you can bootstrap things and sure you can start small and build your way up, but you're going to need a few things along the way. You're going to need some training. You're going to need probably some mentoring, unless you want to do it just like I did, which was take years and years of thinking I could do it by myself, for myself. It took me a long time before anything actually worked. It wasn't until I actually got mentoring that my entire business completely changed. And if you want to go down that path, like I say, it took me about 6 years. Of course, I'm a little bit of a slow learner. Your pathway may be a little bit sooner, but I can assure you that getting in touch with someone that has been down that pathway before, that has a system in place that you can model and start developing your own business off the back of something like that, it's going to expedite your process and get you to where you want to go a lot sooner. That's number one. The other thing is that a lot of people just, if you are wanting all this free stuff, you're wanting the free methods, and you think, if you have to pay for something, it must be a scam, and there's no chance it's going to work out. Well, that's business. You never know. If you go to the, I guess in the offline world, you go to someone who runs a store, and you ask them, hey, can I buy your business? But I don't want to pay for it. In fact, if anything, I want you to give me all the information, all the back end stuff of what you do and how you keep your books and all those processes and stuff. You could just give me that for free. And if I start making money, then maybe I'll just pay you or something. Like, there's a disconnect. That doesn't happen in the offline world. But for some reasons, people have this kind of weird idea that that's gonna fly in the online world. Now, what I can assure you, like I say, if you're not willing to invest in yourself and invest in your learning, and you're just looking for hacks and little things that are going to, favorite things of the moment, you're going to be stuck in the cycle of brokenness, and you're never going to get out of that, because you are telling yourself that you'd rather have the hacks, you'd rather have all the free stuff and all the things there, and not actually take action, not actually put your ponies on the line to actually go out there and find something that's working and model off that. And if you do stay in that way of thinking, then you're always going to get stuck in that cycle. So look, thankfully it's not all doom and gloom. I'm not here to try and paint a bleak picture of your financial future when it comes to doing stuff online. But what I can tell you is, if you don't make those adjustments and you don't start believing that investing in your education and creating a business and investing in your business is a good thing to do to fast track your results, then it's going to take you a lot longer and a lot more mental energy, a lot more strain and a lot more setbacks in order to try and figure it out by yourself. And then eventually, like I say, there's a complete disconnect there. If you think everything should be free, who's got the money? Where does that come from? There's something not quite right there. So adjust that part of your mindset and focus on the sheer level of abundance that is out there. There's so many opportunities out there, I can assure you, and especially once you're willing to take that gamble on yourself, and you say, you know what, I'm drawing a line in the sand, I'm going to back myself, I'm going to get some help, I'm going to get a mentor. Things start to change because you force yourself to make that work. Whereas, look, when was the last time you valued a piece of free information? You probably didn't. You probably got all sorts of stuff stuck on your hard drive at the moment that you've collected over the years, and you haven't done anything with it. You probably haven't even logged into half the things you've signed up for. And I can assure you, like I say, when you do that, when you just go, you know what, I'm going to lay it on the line and see what happens, you force yourself into it. You force yourself to create your own results, and you're going to take it a lot more serious. So anyway, I hope this resonates with a couple of you guys out there. Like I say, if you're interested in learning, I guess, how to expedite your processes and your, I guess, pathway online, hit that link below, check it out, and book in a call if you are serious about your business, you're willing to invest in yourself, and you understand that building an online business takes work and dedication and consistency. And if you align with that, I'd love to have a chat with you. Anyway, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks very much.